Well, little lady, let me elucidate here. Everybody wants to be a cat because a cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
Tell me, everybody's picking up on that feline beat, 'cause everything else is obsolete.
I wouldn't you?
A square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born.
Every time he plays.
But with a square in the act, you can set music back
To the caveman days.
I've heard some corny birds who tried to sing.
Still, the cat's the only cat who knows how to swing.
Monster dick, long-head kick, stuff like that.
When everybody wants to be a cat, a square with a horn makes you wish you weren't born. Every time he plays, oh, a rinky-tinky-tinky with a square in the act, you can set music back to the caveman days.
Oh, a rinky-tinky-tinky.
Yes,
Everybody wants to be a cat,
because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
When playing jazz, you always has a welcome mat.
'Cause everybody thinks a swinging cat.
Oh boy, fellas, let's rock the joint. Ha-ha, groove it, cats. Shanghai, Hong Kong, ik voel young. Fortune cookie, always wrong. That's a hard one.
How about you and me, Duchess?
Yes, let's swing it, Thomas. Groovy, Mama, groovy.
Blow it, small fry. Blow it.
Boy, he blew it. But he was close.
If you want to turn me on, play your horn, don't spare the tone, and blow a little soul into the tune.
Let's take it to another key.
Modulate and wait for me. I'll take a few ad libs and pretty soon.
The other cats will all commence congregating on the fence beneath the alley's only light.
Where every note is on.